So I'm putting together kayak racks for my Jeep. I got some tips maybe to help you out. One, I set it up on blocks so you can get underneath of it when you bolt it all together. Number two, I would take Sharpie. I drew the outline of the square on top of the head. That way when you go to put it down in, the squares will go into the squares of the tubing, because once it goes down in that rubber you can't really tell where they're at, and it should make it a little bit easier to locate them. I would take it like that. I'll take a punch and drive them down with a hammer, tap them down till they bottom out, and put the nuts on and you're finished. And do all of them the same. I pre-mark all the heads on them. Makes it a lot easier than trying to go and figure out where the square is when you can't see it when you're trying to assemble them. I hope this helps.